Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoe Doc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Alright, my friends, I got an exciting unboxing here. You might have seen one of my other videos, but this brand, Michael Darren Shoes, is my personal brand. Started it in 2020, kind of early 2020. And this is a new model, a Jodhpur Boot, that I'm adding to the collection. And there's going to be a special GMTO group made to order on these for the month of February here in 2022. Let's check them out. So my shoes do all come individually wrapped here, individual shoe bags, and take a look at the new boot. I'm very, very excited about this. Look at that beautiful, beautiful boot. So these are hand dyed in Italy, made on Italian crust leather. Again, the Jodhpur boot with the buckle. It goes around the backside, it crosses through to the other side. Nice, sleek, and chiseled last shape on these. Absolutely love the shape of the boot. And this is in the Cuoio patina, which in Italian just means leather. So it's just supposed to be a lighter, kind of a natural looking aged leather patina. These have the brass nails in the toe to reduce the wear a little bit. It is a hand-dyed leather sole. It's got the brass nails in the heel. The heel is a stacked leather heel. And these are Blake stitched, but with a closed channel. So you can see this little faint line here. So that's the channel they used for the stitching, but then they closed that up. So it's a little bit better protection against water, a little better protection against the elements. So again, these boots are going to be $329 for the month of February. Comment down below if you have any questions on them, and check me out at michaeldarrenshoes.com. So let's look at a few other patina examples of these. Got the oak brown patina, the olive green, personal favorite of mine, absolutely love this one. Smoke gray, black cherry, walnut brown, and the sapphire blue. Now, what I don't have pictured and is available is the chocolate brown and black. And the chocolate brown was actually just a mistake. I neglected to order one in the chocolate brown, but it is also a fantastic color. And you can check on the website just other models in a chocolate brown to see what that looks like. But again, the new Jodhpur boot at michaeldarrenshoes.com, $329 for the month of February. Hope to see you on there, and let me know what you think. See you on the next one.